So good morning, everyone. This is Wallace from Dazzleview, and this is our booth. We are the AI Smart Life IoT terminals providers. And here is our what we started as the providers for the hardware and software solution for the IFPD large panels. And this is our main products what we produce for different types of chipsets, 3588, 3576. And all you can see is here. That's where we started. And here is this time we bring up a new brand of rAVe, which is focused on the AI smart learning terminals for the kids. And first of all, the AI Kids camera, which help the children to explore the world in front of them. And the AI Magic Printer to encourage the children of their innovation and imagination to print out their own artwork. Yes, it come this way. We also have the early learning companion robots and the AI logic machines, which helps the children to know more about the interest of learning and to encourage them to education themselves in the early ages from the 3 years old to 12 years old. So this is our brief introduction of our company, and be sure to come to our website www.dazzleview.com. Thank you.